Alright, I'm going to make a simple salsa or taco sauce, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty simple. You want to get some tomatoes and some jalapenos. I usually get about 3 tomatoes, 1 jalapeno. My aunt used to make this all the time. She is a old Mexican lady. She'd put 3 tomatoes, decent size. First steps to check your tomatoes and make sure they don't have bites out of them, because I got a 2-year-old running around. He'll run up, take a bite out of one, and then put it back. So there's 3 of those and a jalapeno. I grew all these in my garden. They look a little pitiful, I know, but that's what you want. 3 tomatoes and a jalapeno in a pot. You want to cover them with some water. They don't have to be all the way covered. About a little bit more. About right there. And get this to where that skin's peeling off on the tomatoes and the jalapeno. And we're also going to need a blender and some salt. Pretty simple, but it's really delicious. It's a little spicy. When I was a kid, I didn't know no better. She called it chili. She always called anything with tomatoes in it chili. She was like, chili. So when I was like 9, she come to a family get together. She's like, I brought some chili. I was like, all right. I was thinking it was like a bowl of chili with some hamburger and beans. I loved chili when I was a kid. We was kind of poor. So I ran in there and I started eating spoonfuls out of this big old bowl. And that shit started burning my mouth. And I was like, where's the meat? This is terrible chili. And yeah, I learned real quick not to eat Aunt Bertina's chili. But growing up later on, we go to her house, we put this on tacos. It's amazing. And it's really simple. This isn't the sauce, kind of salsa you want to dip chips into. It's like you make a taco, slap a little bit on it. One thing she always had in her fridge was this salsa, the big Tupperware bowl, and then she had corn tortillas, always. So you got those 2 things, you're eating good. I'll come back to you when this is ready. Alright, that's what you want it to look like. You want that skin peeling off. Just skin peeling off of the tomatoes. Skin peeling off the jalapeno. Try and peel them. Just skin peeling off these tomatoes and the jalapeno. You want to shut it down. Drain this water and let it cool down a little bit. You want to try and peel the skin off all the way. Alright. You want to peel all that skin off that you can get. Try and cut that core out of there a little bit. And you want to throw them in a blender. Peel that skin off. Cut that core out. You can cut that core out before you boil them if you want. Try and peel your jalapeno best you can. If you don't like any heat, you cut this in half, pull all the seeds out of it. Blend them up good. Now you want to put some salt in there. You could add other things. You could add some pepper. You put some garlic powder in there, or some fresh garlic. This is the basic. It's the basic taco sauce. You want to refrigerate it overnight. Onion. Some eggs. Some of that sauce. It's good stuff right there. Are you Chunk?
No.
Yeah, you're Chunk. Are you Chunk?
No, I'm Wyatt.